If you are trying to play the Genshin Impact on your computer, this tutorial review will show you how you can play this Genshin Impact game on your computer. So basically this is an Android game. To play any Android game on your computer, first of all you have to install an Android emulator. The BlueStacks is a very popular Android emulator. You can use these. So first of all, open bluestacks.com and download it on your computer. Once the installer downloaded, install the BlueStacks and launch the BlueStacks. Once you launched the BlueStacks, you will jump into this interface. Basically, this is your BlueStacks homepage. And now you have to search for the game you want to play. So click on this search box and type here Genshin Impact, and you will get the Genshin Impact app here. So to play any Android game in BlueStack, first of all you have to install the app on your BlueStacks. So install the app from here, and once it's installed, you will be able to play this Genshin Impact game in this BlueStacks app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.